Hello children, today we are going to do the GK chapter Great Indian Scientists. We will identify some Indian mathematicians and scientists whose contributions have benefited humanity through the ages. Let us first talk about Aryabhatta. He was a great ancient astronomer and mathematician, known for his work on the revolution of the earth, prediction of eclipses, and the use of place value in number systems. India's first satellite was named after him, Aryabhatta. Now, let us come to the next one, Charaka. He was the principal contributor and practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine called Ayurveda and wrote a book on it. So he was basically a practitioner of the ancient system of Indian medicine. Next, let us come to the next one, Charaka. His ground Sushruta, sorry, Sushruta. His background work was in Shailatantra, curing patients through surgeries. He also developed many unique and practical techniques to dissect the human body and study its structure. His name was Sushruta. Next is Varamir Mihira. He was an outstanding Indian astronomer and mathematician whose knowledge of the Western astronomy is well known. He is known for his book Panch Siddhantika, a detailed study of Western astronomy. His name was Varamihira. Next, we will talk about Bhaskara. He was an Indian astronomer and mathematician of the 7th century. His major work includes the books called the Mahabhaskarya and the Laghu Bhaskarya that dealt with the longitudes of planets, solar and lunar eclipses, and the phases of the moon. He was called Bhaskara. Now let us come to the next one, Brahmagupta. He was an ancient Indian astronomer of the 5th century known for his book Brahmasputa Siddhanta, an astronomical work. He defined zero as the result of subtracting a number from itself. His name was Brahmagupta. Brahmagupta. Let us know something about the Ayurveda. Ayurveda is a traditional system of Indian medicine. It is widely practiced in various parts of Asia and is used to prevent and treat various diseases. This age-long field of medicine originated in India perhaps as early as 3000 years ago. Now, let us come to another chapter of brain teasers. Here some brain teasers are given in your book. Let us see them one by one. Answer the following riddles. First one. Write down the first letter of each word from the following sentence to make the abbreviation of a space agency of international repute. Also write the full form of this agency. Nature's anger silences all. So you have to take the first letter of all these words. Nature starts with N, anger A, silence S and all A again. The word that we get is NASA. The full form of this is National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Second one, unscramble the words in the following sentences to make it meaningful. Srinivasa Ramanujan was an on-renewed Indian. Now this is in a jumbled way, written in a jumbled way. Ramanujan was a jumbled word, then Indian, then again jumbled word. Now if we unjumble it, we get the first word as renowned and the next word as mathematician. So the sentence is Ramanujan was a renowned Indian mathematician. Third one. 5 boys named A, B, C, D and E were eating 5 bananas. D finishes his banana before A, but after C. E finishes his banana before B, but after A. Write down the order in which they finish their bananas. The answer is first C finishes, then D, then A, then E, and last B. Number 4. Aman tells Natasha, your brother is the son of my father's sister. How is Natasha related to Aman's father? The answer is their relation is of a niece and maternal uncle. Next one. What is it that never gets hurt when it falls? The answer is rain. What has a neck but no head? Answer is a bottle. What has a head and a tail but no legs? Answer, a coin. Make the word torn from the word cone by changing one letter at a time. On changing the letter, the word should still make sense. The first word, cone, changing one letter, C to T, we get tone. Then, changing one letter, N to R, we get tore. Then, changing one letter, E to N, we get torn. So, this is all in brain teasers. Okay, I hope you like the video. Thank you, children.